Alright guys, Carrick and I are back with our featured open house series. We're out here in Auburn at 2079 Canal Street. This place is enormous. It's got 3 bedrooms, 4 bath, over 3,000 square feet, a wraparound deck. Really cool. You gotta come check it out. Stop the car. You're gonna love this place.
Hey guys, we're here at 2079 Canal Street in Auburn. We are 3,064 square feet. We are priced at $525,000. The interior has been completely remodeled from top to bottom. We have a new HVAC system which was installed in 2018. We have granite countertops, a laminate flooring, kitchen cabinets. You have city skyline views. Come check out the open house.